welcome back to my channel. So I came across this 7362514 chord progression. So on the key of B flat, so I'm going to play it on B flat and go to F sharp and C. I will break it down on those keys. So but let's play on B flat first. So that's it. So 7 3 6 2 5 1 4. That is it. So we are singing a song like how great is our God. Then sing with me how great is 7 3 6. So how great is our God. Then sing with me how great is our God. Then 2. Let me sing how great. That's 5 4. How great is our God. Go back to 4. Alright, so let me break that on B flat. 7 on the left. You can choose to play it as rootless. I play in F sharp and C alone, and you can add the 7th, the root. So the right hand is E, A, and D. And you see for the 7, then for the 3, you play D dominant. Then 6, G, D, and B flat, or I just play this way. Then my right hand D, F, and B flat. Then 2 to this is a C9, C, G, and B flat. My right hand, that is D, E, G, and B flat. Yeah. Then 2 5. This is the 5. F, sorry, F, C, B, A flat, C, E flat, F, A flat. Then 1 you slope from Re to Mi, that is C to D. So B flat, F, D, A, D, E. Then 4 G, B flat, D, G. That's it. How great is our God. That's it. Okay, so let's go to F. Okay. Yeah. So this is the 7th. B, E, and A. Then the 3, A dominant. Then 6, D, A, F, A, C, F. Then the 2, like G9, G, D, F, A, B, D, and F. Then the 5, G, B flat, C, E flat, C, G, E flat. Then 1, this is a 1, C, F, C, E, A, D. Then 4. Okay, you can play this on 4. For this. And 4. Then go to 4 again. This clustered movement. Then go back to 4. That is it. Alright, so let's go to F sharp. On F sharp, that is the 7th. So this is it. This is my 7th here. D and A flat. My right, C, a quarter chord on C, C, F, and B flat. So F, D, A flat. Then you play B flat dominant. Then you play, go to 6, D, E flat, B flat, F sharp, B flat, C sharp, F sharp. Then 2 is G sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C, D sharp, F sharp. Then 5. This 5 can't expand, just play this way or this way. It's easy, this way. Or anyone. So C sharp, A flat, and E. A flat, B, C sharp, and E. Right? Then 1, F sharp, C sharp, F, B flat, and D sharp. This 1, then 4. Or the 4 you can just just play this way. Is it? You can also add this to create a tension. Alright. So lastly, let's go to C. On key C, it will be let's use the upper octave. Yeah. So the do mean. Now play F sharp, what I call F sharp, B and E. And you play this at 7, D, A flat and D, or you can play A flat and D. Then you play E dominant, then A minor, A, E and C, E, G, C, then 2, D ninth, D, A, C, E, F sharp, A, C, then 5, play G, D, B flat, D, F, G, B flat. You see this? That's your 5. Then 1. Start from Re and Mi.